Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be a styling video using a gel from Cantu. Now, I'm just going to jump right into this video. You guys already know to subscribe, comment, like, and all that good stuff. But I'm just going to get straight into this particular styling video. I use the new Cantu Shea Butter Maximum Hold Moisture Retention Styling Gel with flaxseed and olive oil. This gel contains no alcohol, no crunch, no flakes, and no itch. This is Curly Girl approved. Now, you're going to see me insert the application, and I don't know why on this very, very cold day I decided to shingle my hair. But just a bit of a disclaimer, I was leaving the house, I didn't shingle my hair properly. I wanted it to be a quick wash and go, but then I wanted to see how it would work shingling. I didn't do it, or style my hair using a mirror, but anyway, these are the results. So the application and styling in the video wasn't the best, but I thought it's also a little bit truthful for how we kind of style our hair off camera. But I did have my camera on, but I didn't plan to. But I filmed it for you guys. These are the results. It's a soft hold. Now, I've been using this off camera. This isn't a first impression product, but let me tell you about it and then I'll talk a little bit more. This moisture retention styling gel is from Cantu and it has flaxseed and olive oil as I mentioned, and it's perfect for maximum hold to help boost moisture retention. It's made with 100% pure shea butter. Cantu reveals your real authentic beauty, and then it says here no silicones, no parabens, no sulfates, no mineral oils and stuff like that. And a styling tip is it says cocktail or layer with your favorite Cantu curling cream to achieve flake-free, long-lasting results. Now, these are my results. And I've been using this product and I've been loving it during winter. It's given me such hold, and I found that I barely refresh my hair for a full 7 days. Like, this gel has been amazing for me personally as a gel, and I apply it in the mornings, barely refreshing my hair. I'm doing a nighttime routine. I'm sleeping on a satin pillowcase. My hair is just soft. It's cold. It's been freezing in South Africa, but this gel is holding up amazingly. This is day 1 here. Day 2 was even better. Day 3 is even better. So I am just so happy. I love, as I said, the hold. There's no crunch. There's no flaking. I love the consistency of this gel as well, and I apply it heavy-handed. I apply a lot of product. It smells so nice, and look at how much product. I personally want to say thank you to Cantu. Thank you for creating this gel. The size of it is perfect for women who have so much hair like myself. Even if you don't have a lot of hair, this is also going to last forever for all of us in the natural hair community. So the size of this is amazing. The hold, the definition, the application, really, really amazing product for me personally. I'm so happy. They also have another one with Jamaican black castor oil inside, but because it's so cold, I took the one that just said moisture retention, and to my knowledge both of them are Curly Girl approved as well. So I think Cantu did an amazing job when it comes to these gels. To wrap up the video, I'll just tell you guys what I have underneath, because when I do a styling video, people always want to know, like, what do you wash your hair with? And I'm filming this video after I filmed the video using the Girl Boss products. So I did a wash day routine using the Girl Boss products. You guys will see that video, and then I put this gel on top. So that's what I have underneath. I washed my hair with Girl Boss products, leave-in and all of that. And I have been using the styler off camera with other products as well. When I was styling my hair and I had the Girl Boss products underneath, there was a little bit of white. It didn't play too well, but the overall results were still fine. It still doesn't flake. So even if you do see, like when you try and mix products and you get those white dots, the products don't play well together. But I pushed through and I continued styling with the Cantu gel, and my hair has no white residue at all, and it's freezing cold. My hair is pillow soft. Thanks for joining me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love the gel, and drop your comments down below if you've tried it or if you were thinking about it and you just hadn't seen a South African review on it. Again, thank you, Cantu. This is something I personally love and will be in my hair stash. And I'll see you guys again. Take care. Bye.